Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday, September the 6th, 2023. And it's the war day number 560. 560 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Yes, welcome everyone. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Four of those puzzles, 4 out of 7, I will solve in the evening. But let me continue with these regular puzzles in this afternoon. And the second one I will continue is a Jigsaw Sudoku. I've already solved one regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku. And this one will be number 7048. 7048. Let me mark this. And yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 9 by 11 Jigsaw Sudoku. Sometimes we have 8 by 11 and sometimes 9 by 9. This one is 9 by 11. The easy ones, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. Should be an easy one, should be a 1-star, and for 1-star puzzle, need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1-star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? I see here 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. I need more information right now. Next question, triple boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Here we have a triple box. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2. In this triple box should be there, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. More triple boxes. Let me check. No triple boxes. Next question, do we have quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra boxes. I see only 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers yet. I need to wait. Insufficient information right now. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. Yeah, looking for a shape. For example, the T shape. It's rotated, the T shape, but let me draw this here. When you see the T shape, remember the T shape, that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Do we have more T shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. You have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And yeah, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yes, here another one but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More. No, only 2 of them. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Oh, overlook this quarter box we have. Here also a quarter box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need to wait. So we have 2 quarter boxes here. Okay, let's get started. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And this box is connected with that box, 2 and 3. But we already have a 3 there, so it can be 3 anymore in this box. Should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be also a 2. So 1 that you left in this area. Oh, no, not a 2 and a 3. 2 and a 5. Ah. False start. It's a false start. 2 and a 5. It's a false start. 2 and a 5. Not 2 and a 3. Not 2 and a 3. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Okay, so this box should be also 2 and a 5. I need to write. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is connected with that box. So we saw 1 and 4. Alright. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. This should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So I've eliminated the 5 there. So the 5 should be here. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Okay. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be a 3. We have a 3 in the same area. Can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. Well, now, these 2 boxes can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 5. These 3 boxes can be a 3. So 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3 or a 5. We have a double 3 there, double 5 there. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 1. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. So it should be a 4 then. And that box in this T-shaped area should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Then let me see. 1. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright, these two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely. 5, and I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those. Alright. So this box cannot be a 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 1, 4 and the 1. That means that those two boxes can be a 4 and these two boxes can be a 1. Because we have a double 1 there, double 4 there. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this quadra box should be the numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Well, this box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there in this dual box. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have now a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be here. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5, let me mark those. 3 and a 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. We go up. Then. Let me see. Well, need a 4 here. 1, 2, need a 3 here. Well, 3. 2 and a 5. Okay, 2 and a 5. So I'm missing the 3 here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. So it was correct in the beginning and is connected with that box should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for number 3. And the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes I've marked with a 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. So 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And the final number in this area for number 4. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, not faster than 15. So it should be a 2 stars. Yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. Otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I will do different. So thumbs up. Otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.